In everything you want to do, have always another stats. Why another stats? You want need a motivation and you have a good enough reason from scratch of starting.
Really sit back at your life and you are in that dark room and you're looking at where you started from and you tell yourself, God, dog, man, my mom is this way. My soon-to-be stepdad got murdered. My dad beat the shit out of me. I can't read and write to save my fucking soul. I've lied about it to everybody. I've cheated on all these tests. My God, man. And then you put a goal in your mind. How are you gonna feel, man, when you accomplish this goal coming from that shit?
We do not become the best by exceeding other people, but we become the best by suppressing ourselves and our limits. Then you become the visionary.